It's your man Alex, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys an easy men's receding haircut taper tutorial. So if you are somebody that does have a receding haircut, just like the gentleman here in this video that I gave a haircut, you should kind of do your best, embrace it, be confident about it. It happens to most people. It hasn't happened to me yet. I don't know if it is going to happen to me or not, but at some point, most men will have receding hairlines at some point. And the worst thing you can do, in my opinion, is try to just cover it up and then just be insecure about it on the inside. So for this haircut, I tried to go along with the previous hairstyle that he had. He embraced the receding hairline. He was an older gentleman, and really just starting off this haircut, I kind of gave him like a mid fade on the sides, using the number 1 guard with the lever open, stopping right around the top of his eyebrow, and then going all the way around his head with a slight downward angle at the occipital ridge. Now the next guard I used was the number 1.5 guard lever open, and I went up a solid inch from that previous guideline, and you can see here I'm kind of going up 1 full inch with a slight pull out motion. So I'm going up 1 inch and then slightly fading out away from the head so I don't dig too much into the hair by the part line, because I'm going to utilize that extra hair by the part line to blend everything in on the top to the haircut portion on the sides. Now, still using the same number 1.5 guard, I'm just going to go in and close the lever completely and knock out that hard line in between the number 1 guard lever open and the number 1.5 guard lever open. So now I'm just going to be going in and using my thinning shears to blend in the hair that I just finished cutting with the clippers to the length on the top. All right, so I'm going to be going in afterwards with the scissors to even the hair out. I'm not going to be cutting off much of the length. I'm going to be keeping majority of the length. I'm just going to go in with these scissors and clean everything up, make it straight, make sure that it's even from the front to the back, from the left side to the right side. But here is very important because I'm using the thinning shears to blend in the haircut portion with the clippers to the length on top. And knowing that I'm not going to be cutting too much off the top, it's going to be much easier to blend everything in. So again, right here, I'm just going in with my shears and my comb and evening out the hair on both sides. I'm not going for a comb over, which pretty much would make one side longer than the other side. I'm making both the left side and the right side and the middle of his head even, right? It's going to be flat across the top. I'm not making one side lean to the other. So I'm not giving him a comb over, I'm just making it all even on the top. So now using my trimmers, I'm going in and giving him a nice lineup, going with the natural contour of his hairline, right? He is receding, but he embraces the fact that he's receding and he wanted me to go with the hairline no matter what, right? So I think confidence as a man, whether you're receding, whether you're bald, whether you have a full head of hair, is more important than anything, right? It gives you a lot of self-respect. A lot of people respect you more when you're confident and you embrace the fact that you have these, I guess, genetic deficiencies, right? Something that we don't necessarily have control over. So I definitely think it's nice to have confidence in yourself, be confident in your own skin. So it's very, very good. And ultimately, going in with the trimmer, just following the natural contour of his head. I'm not going in and creating new lines, creating new hairlines. I'm finding the natural part and I'm just cutting away all of the excess hairs. So aside from giving absolute strangers free haircuts, I also cut my own hair and I teach people here on YouTube, yourself included, how to cut your own hair. If that's something you're interested in, definitely check out the links in the description down below. I also do private one-on-one live streams as well with my course members. But you guys, this is the brand new easy men's receding haircut taper tutorial, right? Very, very simple. Literally 2 guards and then closing 1 guard to take out the hard line, using some thinning shears, evening out the top, and then boom, this is what the haircut came out to. Guys, if you liked it, make sure you leave a like, subscribe if you're new to my channel, check out the links in the description as well. And thank you all so much for watching. I'll catch you next time. Peace.